Look at this. This is a necktie, and I created this symbol using a Microsoft. After opening a Microsoft Word document, I created this symbol. So I use the keyboard shortcut Alt 128084. Okay, I'll show you how to create this. So for doing this, you must simply go to your keyboard after opening your Microsoft Word. So this is the number lock here. So if your number lock is off, you must press the number lock. Now we are turned on the number lock. Then you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press your finger from this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 128084. So you must type like this 128084. So after typing it only, you must release your finger from this alt key. So if you type like that, then you can see that the symbol of necktie, we have created the symbol. For more videos, you can subscribe and listen online. Thank you.